says, "Do you think you can help, Thomas?" "You can count on me," said Thomas. Yeah. Yeah. Thomas quickly picks up the bricks. Yeah, hats. And the workers then chucks to the broken bridge. Thomas toots Percy. "I'm glad you're here while the workers fix the bridge. Wait to see if Percy needs anything else." Finally, the bridge is fixed. Yeah, Percy thanks Thomas for his help. "Now that we're done, how about that race, peeps?" Thomas. "You're on, Thomas Pup Turkey." And off they go.
Clap, Liam.
Yay!
Yay!
Well, the book is over with. Do it again. Hey, who's that? That Thomas? Thomas has an important job to do. That's the man with the hat.